Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to use Google Keep effectively. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in today's video I am going to tell you 3 very effective ways to make your Google Keep 100% more efficient. Now, those things that you should care about is whenever you open a Google Keep or any notes into Google Keep, you just simply have to make sure that you are listing them correctly into this list item section. And now this is the first thing, and it will help you to organize your works or remembering something into your daily life. Then the second thing I'd like to light into here is using the reminder feature of Google Keep. Now what this option will do is whenever you have to attend anything which might be related to your home and work, you will get the information at right time and your days will be more planned and effective. And last but not least, you can use these two features in order to make your Google Keep appearance very beautiful. First one is to change the background color from here. Just simply select the color or any of the background wallpaper or image from this section, and you can customize your text by tapping into this section. Now from here you can customize all of your text as you want. By following this very easy 3 steps, you can use your Google Keep more effectively. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.